Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very flavorful and aromatic masala coconut rice which you can make for your next party. Let's see how to make it. Come on. I'm using a dollop of ghee for that extra flavor. We will saute the cashews to a light golden color. Once they are golden, I'll take out a few cashews for garnishing later. We will just saute the onions until lightly golden, and then I'll add some slit green chilies so that they will impart a nice flavor. I have removed the seeds and the pulp from the tomatoes for this recipe. Now you can even use other colored peppers if you like. Here we will just mix lightly. Try to use thick coconut milk as it will give a nice rich flavor to the dish. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Always use hot water. Bring this to a light boil and we will add the washed and drained basmati rice. I have drained and washed the rice and kept it aside for 10 minutes. See how colorful this looks? The fresh grated coconut will give a nice extra added texture that we want. At this point, lower the flame, cover and allow to cook for about 15 minutes. I checked once in between to see if the rice is cooked. Wow, looks amazing and the aroma has spread throughout the kitchen. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for such amazing recipes I post every week, and thanks for your support. This looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and plate it. Be careful and transfer the rice lightly. The aroma is intoxicating and I can't wait to have this awesome rice. Garnish with some more fresh grated coconut, some of the cashews I had kept aside earlier, and fresh coriander leaves. An awesome rice dish is ready. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.